Sorry about that. Someone was trying to reach me on both my lines, and I had to go check it out and hit the wrong button. I stopped the recording. So, continuing where we picked up, where we dropped off. Narrower, narrower, narrower. Now, our second to the narrowest cross section is going to be between the bottom and this one in here, which is this section. Construction line, straight over. Ring bore, ring edge, and I can draw my section. Put these on my new storage, which will be the navy blue. Okay, so section, section, carry that information up into the top view. Bring back my original construction layers just so I can draw the full width of the ring. Ring bore all the way across the ring. Ring surface all the way across the ring. Okay. Carrying my widths up and around from the side view. Ring bore. Straight up, intersect miter, intersect ring bore. Straight up, intersect miter, intersect ring bore. And for the ring surface, straight up, intersect miter, intersect surface. And straight up, intersect miter, intersect surface. And now I can draw my section in the top view. I'll say what each one is. Edge of the ring bore, edge of the ring surface, across the surface, back down to the edge of the ring bore, across the ring bore. And so now we have all of our sections drawn. And I'll go ahead and put these on the other storage layer. I just wanted to separate them out for a minute so you could make sense with the clutter that we had going. Okay. That's our full drawing up until now. Now I'm going to draw the most complicated aspect of our ring, which is the top view. I'm going to start by giving me myself a straight tangent line to work from. Anytime we extend off a straight line, we get a smooth tangency across it, like the tangent of a circle, the quadrant of a circle. So I'm going to start with my ring bore. No, actually, I want to draw my ring surface first. So straight line to begin, curve, extend curve, by arc to point. Going to grab the end of this, intersect snap will work fine, but I have to zoom in and be careful. Second widest section at the surface. Repeat the command. It's still active. It keeps going until I hit enter. Keep going to the second widest section, or in this case actually third widest, because the widest is here in the center, at the surface, and hit enter. Okay. Now I'm going to do the same curve coming from the bottom of the surface. Remember, the bottom of the surface is the narrowest portion of the ring. So it'll be my very narrowest set of dots at the center line here. Straight line for my tangent takeoff, and extend by arc to point. the surface of my second narrowest section. Continuing, surface corner of the next most narrow section. Remember, surface is narrower than bore below mid shank, which is where we're at. Now I need this to pass right through this corner, and the way I'm going to do that is blend curve, adjustable blend curve. Click, second curve to blend, click, and I'm going to use my handles, primarily this one, to make sure that I don't extend beyond the edge here. Just evaluating my line, because I fear I've made a mistake. Let me double check, because this should pass very closely through here. It won't be able to pass exactly through, but because it can't go beyond this width, and it can't go beyond that corner, and for them to be exactly the same mathematically is a challenge. But I'm going to double check what I've drawn. Surface, outer surface corner, outer surface corner, inner surface edge. Okay, and here we are. That's the narrower. That would be correct. And that would be correct. And they would pass right through here. Okay? So, that being my challenge, it is correct, but I'm going to remove this segment of curve. I exploded it and deleted it. Do my adjustable blend curve from here. And then control my handles. That gives me a little more room. I would like this to pass through this corner and that corner. And that is pretty good. I can zoom in. And do it more carefully. There. And hit OK. Join these together. Mirror them across the center line. I don't want these the starter curve, so I'll explode it. Use Control click to deselect those two pieces, join it back together again. I can throw these away now. I can mirror this across. if I weren't doing this in glass, right now, I could trim that away. Delete this and trim this away. Put these on the white layer, the drawing layer. And I would have my views. But I am doing it in glass. So I continue. Going from the ring bore. Point. See, I can bring this back on. My straight tangency starter, and going from the inside now. Curve, extend by arc to point along the ring bore to the ring bore on the next widest section. I will stop there. Learning what I did from the last one, I'm going to assume I'm going to have that same delicate adjustment to make. And then down at the base of the finger on the ring bore, which is the wider dimension below the midsection of the shank. Extend and extend again to the next wider point or next section along the finger bore. And I will do a blend curve. And once again, I would like for this to pass very nearly through this end and this end here, which it's doing fairly well now. I can do a little better. And for the purposes of our drawing, that is certainly accurate enough. Join these together. Just to explode them again, Control to deselect the two straight tangent launching curves. Join the rest of the curve back together to throw these away. Mirror across center. Join. Mirror top to bottom. Across the center line of our view. And that takes care of it. Only thing I need to do now is to bring the remaining sections that I don't have on this side over. And I can delete the points that I use to indicate my various widths on top. Mirror these sections over as well. And there we have it. Okay. Finished drawing. I'll bring back all of our construction lines so you can see them. There we go. There you go, class. Thanks for watching.